Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am heading towards the launch event of the new Triumph Tracker 400. So let's go to the showroom.
All of us are here. We gathered today for the launch of the sixth Triumph motorcycle that's made in India, and to mark the success of the first gen of 400s that we've received, we've all ridden it, we've loved it, and this is another one that fits just at the right spot. So to take you all through, used on the oval dirt tracks, majorly in the US. They usually have minimalistic looks, have a nice number patch on the side, flat seats, more flatter tires, and they go out absolute bizarre bonkers racing on an oval dirt track. We must have seen it sometime or the other on the internet, but it's a very upcoming and a very interesting motorcycle to ride and own. When we unveil this, and you'll obviously take a look at it, you'll see that it's very different to the other 400s that we have at the moment on the platform, right? And with that, of course, it's a 350cc engine as such. With that, we've also launched the entire range into 350s. And while a lot of us generally think that